Hello good people and welcome to Noah Blay channel. So today we're going to be cooking sadza, which is a staple food from Zimbabwe and it's made with cornmeal. So this is what I use to make it. I'm going to use the masa brosa cornmeal. I get this from Walmart. It's pretty close to the maize meal that we use in Zimbabwe. So I'm going to be using the masa brosa. I'm going to put it on the screen so that you know what it is. So this is cornmeal, white cornmeal. So I put about a cup. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to measure using a cup, like a coffee mug. Put 1 cup. Because I'm so used to making it, I don't need to measure with a cup. I just use my eyes. So I put a little bit of some cold water and I mix it up. Make sure it's nicely mixed up. And by the way, this measure is for 4 people. So I make sure that the cornmeal is mixed up with the cold water. I'm going to boil some water. So now that it's mixed like this, I will add my boiled water. And I mix it together like this.
And how much water are you adding?
Enough to fill up this pot. Just add it. Depends on the size of the pot that you are using. So the amount of water that you pour, so you continue stirring the mixture until it's thick. So I keep stirring until it's thick. So I stir until it's thick. I cover my pot, and if you can see that it's beginning to boil, so I cover my pot and I'm gonna let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. Now that the sadza has boiled, the cornmeal has boiled, this is the interesting part, I'm going to add more cornmeal and stir. Add more cornmeal and stir. So you keep adding cornmeal until it's thick. So as you can see now, the mixture is thick. That is what we call sadza in Zimbabwe. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is the staple food for Zimbabwe. So there we have it, good people. The sadza is cooked, and close the pot, cover the pot, and let it simmer. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes and it will be ready. And today we're going to have our sadza with some beans as well as some roasted chicken. Right, that's it. Yes. And you can have sadza with vegetables, meat, any type of meat and any type of vegetable, whatever your preference is. So I'm going to make sure that I dish it in a plate so that you see how it is presented. So as you can see, this is how it boils. So the progress is good. Right now it's been boiling for like 2 minutes. I'm gonna give it 3 more minutes. Now that the sadza is simmered, mix it up one final time. And it's ready to be served. Guys, dinner is ready! So now dinner is ready to be served. I've seen a lot of people making different shapes with this sadza, but for me the authentic Zimbabwean sadza is the one that you just dish straight from the pot. That way you can have it whilst it's still hot. So you serve it straight from the pot. That's the authentic. But people can be creative and do different shapes with their sadza. It's totally allowed. And like I mentioned earlier, we are having our sadza with some beans and chicken.